Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making your phone discoverable and powering the Baleno infotainment system. This is critical so both radios can see one another. Once done, tap the Unit Settings menu and choose Bluetooth or Pair New Device. The system broadcasts a name like Baleno. Make sure airplane mode is OFF on your phone and that any existing connection, USB or aux, is disconnected, because only one audio path can be active. This avoids confusion during the first handshake. You now select the Baleno entry on your phone and watch for a numeric PIN. Comparing numbers prevents connecting to the wrong unit. When you accept, grant permissions for contacts and media so calls and music work seamlessly. Once paired, switch the head unit input to BT audio for music and check call routing. Make sure calls go to the car speaker and not the phone. If you want automatic reconnect, enable Auto Reconnect or Trusted Device in the head unit settings. You finish by making a quick test call and playing music to verify speaker and microphone routing. This proves both profiles, hands-free and a 2DP, are active. Then save the pairing as preferred so reconnect is automatic when you next start the car. If the connection fails, restart the phone and the head unit first. Clear old pairings on both sides and retry. Finally, make sure your phone OS and car firmware are up to date, because version mismatches often cause stubborn pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.